Hi, as you probably know, many of us use pink noise to get a balanced mix when gain staging. Well, that is not ideal. I mean, for best results you should be gain staging against custom noise. I give you an example. The white line represents plain pink noise and the grey band behind is the ideal noise profile based on analyzing famous classical compositions. Let's listen to how they differ from each other. Please, use a pair of good headphones to really hear the difference. This is plain pink noise. This is ideal noise for gain staging classical music. One more time. Quite different, don't you think? In most cases, using plain pink noise creates simply two flat results. If you don't have the necessary gear to create a custom noise for your needs, I have a solution. I can create one for you. If you think this video was helpful, please leave a comment, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope to hear from you soon.